Welcome, my people. Big up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And thank everybody for joining me here today. Want everybody, before we jump into the video, please click like, please share, please subscribe. And everybody, we have an exciting video for you this evening. And where it's a live that I was capturing from Andre. And it's a very serious thing, people. You have someone on the live that was actually robbed over 20 years of his life, right? Over 20 years of his life. He was wrongfully sentenced to prison. He was wrongfully sent to prison. So, and then from then, because it happened to him when he was around 18, and then from there life has just been so bad because he hasn't been able to get on his foot and so on. Andre decided that he was gonna give him a help out and so on, but everybody just stay on the video with me here and let's get into it, everybody. Thank you for joining me here.
Good evening to the world, good evening to Canada, good evening to the United States, good evening to everyone in the Caribbean. Good evening, and a blessed morning to those. No, sir, it starts already. A blessed morning to those in London and in England and the United Kingdoms, and those who are in Europe. Because the mission and the vision, the mission are move in a way where so many people are watching. Would you agree? So many people are watching. So I have to say hello to the world. To the world. To the world. Greetings to the world. And greetings to everybody who has come here tonight. The stew peas was very nice today. Oh, did not see me stew peas? Mighty God. Oh, don't want to see my stew peas? I said the stew peas nice is in Jamaica. Oh Lord. Who want to see the stew peas? No. Why not provoke me? My. Oh, Jesus. White rice don't cook. Stew peas. Yeah, man. Me I go just add up the spinners now, and then the pot ready in the next 20 minutes. When you see my stew peas look good. No found a man out there, no woman that cook them nice clean stew peas they go no. No found a woman who not cook them nice clean stew peas they with nice real coconut milk. No found a young girl now do them nice clean something. You know much things in my stew peas. Chicken foot, beef, pig steel, cow skin, everything in my stew peas. And that you call old me. When you eat that you happy come back. Happy come back. And when me a talk, me tell you say me get all a nice pear, you know. A nice, not even quarter pear. 1/2 of the pear me name with the stew peas. One of the things that me can't be me not so active. The stew peas are work. Yes, Scarlett, you never get none of the stew peas. Happy belated birthday to my stop stew, then call it. You know yourself, my daughter. You couldn't get none of the stew peas. I mean, I want nobody. Nobody call me and beg me none of the stew peas. You no funny young girl don't know if you cook the right stew piece for the man. Sorry there. No funny young girl don't know how to cook the stew peas rice. Or no cook no stew peas. Or no cook the stew peas. You have to stir up the man body with the right stew peas. Any only near my stew peas, uno no dash, uno affy come back. What me say? Affy. Me tell you how powerful my stew peas be. My best friend and me now talk how much weeks, and me I go tell you something. Somebody said to her, say, you know, say Andrea cook stew peas. You know, say, as much as me and she not talk, she see, I call me so early. Hello? Hello?
Andre?
Yes, I'm in class. This is too early to class.
Oh. What time was the best time to call you?
What is it something private?
No, I just want to talk to you about something, but it could be any time.
Me there in a class, me there on the show now. So when the calling time call, if you want to call in the calling time, you can call in the calling time. After that, you can.
Talk to you different.
You have to go call me, say about 2 o'clock tomorrow.
Alright then.
Bless you.
Okay.
And me say my friend run come in the vehicle from Portmore. She run, you remember how Derek say run all of the good P them? Me say she run from Portmore, me and she not chat. And me just see she hand out her plate. And you know, she still not chat to me, you know. And me say, no, I'm going to get her the stew peas. Yeah, man. Yes, man. My stew peas make people talk. I wonder if Noel wants some of my stew peas. I wonder if Noel or Cathy wants some of my stew peas. Them we talking in Jamaica. I wonder if Noel or Cathy wants some of my stew peas. What we say? In Jamaica? I wonder if Noel or Cathy wants some of my stew peas. Who no want them for talk? Noel, I want a visitation. When a visitation, Noel, we will send some of my nice clean stew peas for you, you know. Cathy, you want me reach a St. Elizabeth to your family, or you want me give some of the stew peas? Tell me not, Cathy, because if me give some of the stew peas, we talk. Chuck, man. Whoa, the stew peas at work. Sorry, my students with the holy pa belching and them something. Don't have to see we don't know professor, you know. Because me have fix my body. I wonder if the truck man wants some of the stew peas. No, or the Indian man. I wonder if the Indian man wants some of the stew peas. When you don't mix me and ask about, if you go ask entertainer, you don't mix my name with them. You know why the teacher forgets because the teacher, when the teacher should have eat, the teacher go out, they go get the information them so the class can keep alive. Anyhow, updates. Who want to hear the updates? Who want to hear the updates them? Alright, here are the updates. So Miss Sophia is still in the hospital. Miss Sophia kinda hurt by the fact that she said today that she not see enough people are joining the demonstration, and every time when she think about it, it kinda make her, she expected a lot more people to join the demonstration. So I have to explain to her, I said, boy, Mama Sophie, the sun hot and No, if me not go, it's like people not go at the demonstration. So, me gonna make it my point of duty as much as I'm gonna tell her today the reason why I never go to the demonstration in Jamaica. I'm gonna say this too now. I'm diabetic. And over the weekend, my feet have been having continuous muscle spasms. Foot them are stiffen up on me. So I couldn't go out there because that's a sign that I might catch a stroke. And with this heat outside, I make it a point of duty that I stay home and I fix myself, Jamaica. And you hear me say too now? So I couldn't go out there today. My foot them man stiff up on me. So I said to myself, say, let me take some time and fix myself. Yesterday, whilst all of you were una their grandgala there, so I was home resting. I never came out of my bed yesterday. I stayed home and I rested. Today I rested. I just cook my stew peas and go back in my quarters. My health come first. So yes, so Miss Sophia is in the hospital still. And they're saying that they'll have to go probably monitor her for 60 more days. Hear what I said? They're saying that they will have to monitor Miss Sophia for 60 more days. That is 2 months, Jamaica. Two more months. Right? 2 more months. They want Miss Sophia to stay in hospital for 2 more months. So I am saying to you all, I don't want to end up in a situation like Miss Sophia, that I have to be admitted in the hospital. You see, diabetes, if it is uncontrolled, can kill you. And not, I am going to get rid of my diabetes. So I'm going to make it a point of duty to go and look for Miss Sophia tomorrow. And there are a few things that I must get for Miss Sophia. I'm going to use some money tomorrow and purchase some things for her. Because that is like a mother to me. So I'm going to get her the glycerine. She asked for a particular set of hydrations and a particular set of fruits. She's going to get them tomorrow. And I'm thinking of getting her a basket tomorrow. Remember, so her body drain and everything. So I'm thinking of going somewhere to go get her a nice basket or a nice orchid. Or no, I think I'm going to get her the orchid instead. I'm going to go to the plant place and get her a nice orchid tomorrow to lift her spirit. And I like the idea there. I'm going to get her the orchid and the fruit things and so forth. So she can... Who likes that idea? And I'm going to spend an hour or 2 with her tomorrow. I remember, so she's diabetic. She's fighting pneumonia. She's fighting rheumatoid arthritis. So there's multiple complications happening with Miss Sophia that a lot of people don't understand. Plus she's stressed. She's stressed by the fact that when she had talked to me today, the only thing she was like, Andre, why Kathy and Noel can't talk with my daughter today? Why Kathy and Noel can't talk with my daughter today? Me really just want to bury my daughter. All on her head is for her daughter to be married. All she's thinking about is that Donnelly needs to be buried. Her breathing has improved significantly. Cause I remember one time when she attacked, she's not coughing anymore. The breathing has increased significantly. But they said they want to monitor her for 60 more days. That's 2 more months. Two more months. So tomorrow I'm going to get her a nice orchid and her fruits and so forth. Get her some nice fruits. I got to get her a pear and so forth, so she can have pear with her chicken and so forth. I mean, I really want her pan no rice. I'm going to say this to you. If you don't know, I don't have a motherly bond with my mother. My mother not deal with me. So, ever since Miss Sophia come, I've developed a bond with Miss Sophia. Me coming like Miss Sophia, brand new baby boy. So, once Miss Sophia call me, all if I certain hours, me still gonna answer and take her call. Because we develop a bond during this time. Me don't know, you know, but me just develop and I've never met Miss Sophia over the phone alone. Me talk to her. And the prayer warriors, them where they charge up Friday night. Hey, the amount of people say them love the prayers. Big up to the church at Atlanta today we pray for me. One church catching a Holy Ghost for me today. Pastor, everybody in the church in the Holy Spirit for me. Bless up Atlanta. All of the people in Atlanta, bless up on yourself. Not to mention New York. Oh, Florida, bless up Florida. New Jersey. Come on, Jamaica. Everybody. Miss Sophia love me. Love me bad. Hey, me hear say one church in Atlanta today. I never get the details. The person message me and say, them never know so I say me big. Them say the church in one Holy Ghost. Georgia, bless up everybody. All of the church them will pray. When I know the one them in Jamaica pray. Whoa. But bless up to every church. Bless up. Tonight I go and carry a story and I want to share that live here because this story is rather interesting. Somebody asked for him brother get him name Shanning Bryan. Vote for Shanning Bryan pan Rising Stars, yeah? Shanning Bryan 444. Me couldn't hear. Me don't know if him song good enough, but me couldn't hear him. I know that we've been through so much pain. Them I say if one can put my students, I could put everybody. Put in a one vote for Shanning Bryan. What wanna say? 444-5510. 4-4. Hey man, yeah man. See me here say in a Boston, Massachusetts, them pray for me too. Thanks to everybody in a Boston, Massachusetts, we pray for me. Yeah man. Thanks to those in Boston, Massachusetts, we pray for me. Atlanta again. Why Nikki want? Yes. Come on, me go carry a story now and I don't want nobody disrupt the class now. Me say those in a Bridgeport, Connecticut, I pray for me too. Bless upon yourself. I'm going to carry a story today. Today I'm going to, you don't want to hear the story, right? Mm-hmm. Come on, students. Come on. I want to hear that story.
Yeah, hello?
Good evening, sir.
Yes, I'm Andre.
How are you?
I don't hear you.
You have to go somewhere where me can't talk to you because I can't hear you and me can't bother with you.
A letter to me. They call me by the superintendent office upstairs, and when I appeal to the local court of appeal, that is when I appeal to the Privy Council.
So how it reached to the Privy Council?
Alright, how it reached to the Privy Council now. Before it reached to the Privy Council, the Court of Appeal, the local Court of Appeal out here would have to dismiss it. And then I write to a lady named Miss Juliet Ori, solicitor law firm. So I stay from prison where I was and write to Miss Juliet Ori. She's a solicitor law firm in England. And she put a lawyer on it named Mr. Stephen Leslie. And while Mr. Stephen Leslie were on it, I were writing out the grounds